Hey guys, today is section 3.4, and there's really not any note cards or notes for today because we've already done this, but it's important enough that we need to do it again. Okay, so I want you guys to take a look at what we're going to be doing. You are going to be making a copy of this interactive worksheet. This is one of those things where when you go and click it from the working document, it's going to force you to make a copy. So you make a copy and you're going to follow the directions and you'll upload your copy, in Google Classroom. Now, you need to make sure you read the directions in this gray row and you follow the model of the yellow example. I am getting ready to go over the yellow example with you. But before I do that, right here is the problem. And you're going to be given the problem. There's 6 of them, okay? You need to restate the question or realize what is the question. Put it over here. Then you're going to go into Desmos, type in the function. In the second row of Desmos, you're going to type in the other pertinent information and determine a good viewing window. And then you're going to click on the parabola so that you can see the intersection points to show up, like these black points, and then click on each pertinent point so that the ordered pair shows, like I have here, okay? Take a screenshot of only the graph and insert it in this column. Now, I've put what I typed in the Desmos so you could see it because it's an example, but you don't necessarily need to do that unless you want to. In this column, you're going to answer the question using math notation. And this one, you're going to answer the question in a complete sentence. So let's go over this yellow example. When a baseball is hit by a batter, the height of the ball, h of t, at time t, where t is greater than or equal to 0 because it's time, is determined by this equation right here, negative 16t squared plus 64t plus 4. For which interval of time is the height of the ball greater than or equal to 52 feet? So what is the question? I just restated it. What interval of time is the height of the baseball greater than or equal to 52 feet? Okay, that's me going, does my student understand what the question is asking? Do they understand or not? Okay, so then I went to Desmos and I typed in the function right here. Now it wants to know when the height of the ball, h of t or y, is greater than or equal to 52. So I put y equals 52. Now when I first did this didn't show up like this, okay? That's not what I saw. I'm going to hit the home key right here. That's what I saw, okay? But I knew I had just put a y equals 52 in, so I just kind of clicked and I dragged, okay? And then I see right here it's 52. Now I like to see the top of the parabola, so I know it's up here, so I'm just going to zoom out a little bit and then click and drag. So there's a good viewing window. You click the parabola, there's your ordered pairs, and then, or the dots, and then click on the dots. And then you take a partial screenshot of just that part, like this, okay? And that's what I put here. And I also put right here what I typed in over here so you could see, okay? So I've got that information, and now the question. Well, what interval does that happen where it's above 52 feet, or at 52 feet? And it's between 1 and 3 inclusive because it has an equal to on it. So that's the answer in math notation. And then what's the answer in a complete sentence? The baseball has a height greater than or equal to 52 feet from 1 second to 3 seconds. Okay, this is going to be super simple for a lot of you because you understood the material, but there's some of you who it's just not there yet, and we can always use more practice. So make sure you take your time and you do this worksheet nice and neat, and you are going to get graded on it, okay? So make sure before you submit it that you've checked everything and that you think you have your answers right. Have a great day. Bye, guys.